How do you sound experienced when you're new and you go to bid a job? Oh, that's a great question, and we're going to talk about it today. Hi there, I'm Angela Brown, and this is Ask a House Cleaner. This is a show where you get to ask a house cleaning question, and I get to help you find an answer. Now, if you are new, I recommend that you subscribe to this channel because we come back 5 times a week and we answer your house cleaning questions. And so this is an opportunity for you to get a lot of free training and learn a whole lot about the insides of the business, but we don't want to disappear from your feed. So when you come back to YouTube, we will be on your homepage somewhere hiding out going like, hey, how you doing? If you subscribe. All right, so on to today's show. There was a house cleaner that wrote in and she wanted to know, how do you sound experienced when you're new? All right, what that comes down to are credentials. And so when you go to a customer's house and you're bidding a job, what they're looking for is, are you the right person for cleaning my house? And so what you want to make sure that you do is you create comfort in that they will feel comfortable in hiring you. Okay, so you might be new to house cleaning, but what can you say that will show your experience? And so the first thing I want to recommend that you do is sit down and make an inventory of your life. Because you're 18 or 20 or 30 or 40 or 50 years old right now when you go to the customer's house. I don't know how old you are, but you're not born today, right? If you were, you would not be cleaning houses. So you have some experience. What experience do you have? Do you have experience with kids, with pets, with people, with cleaning, with other jobs? Like, what are your skills? Because a lot of skills will translate. So for example, let's say that you are a stay-at-home mom and you have been raising kids for the last 17 years. Now you're going back into the workforce and you're a little unsure of what to say because you're new to house cleaning. So what you do is you go in and you say, hey, listen, I am new to house cleaning, but I raised 4 children and I've been cleaning up sandwiches and crumbs for the last 17 years. I've been cleaning up clothes and doing laundry and tidying up every single day for the last 17 years. I know what it's like to have a house full of children. I can make your house shine. Okay, all of a sudden what you did is you brought in the experience that you have. You did not say I'm a professional house cleaner with years of experience. You said I was a mom working around kids. Now, when you were talking to another mom with kids, she's going to say, oh, you totally get me, right? She's going to know that you understand her pain. Now, if you are in a home with animals and you have pets yourself, you can say something to the effect of, I know what it's like to clean up after 4 dogs every single day, and the dog hair that they leave lying around, and how to get that off your furniture, and how to make sure it's not floating around your hardwood floors, right? And so the person is going to go, oh, she totally gets me. She must have seen my house, right? So you're going to want to connect with them on the level where they are based on what you know, okay? Now you can always double back and you can say, I joined the Chamber of Commerce. I'm a member of the Better Business Bureau. We don't have any ratings yet because we're fairly new. And so I would love ratings and reviews from you so that I can boost my visibility with the Better Business Bureau. And I will work for your business so that that can happen. Be honest with people. Don't pretend like you've been cleaning for years if you haven't. And if you've been cleaning at your own home, don't tell them that you've been cleaning houses, like make it sound like you're a professional for years, because you aren't. And there are differences in the systems that you create that you will learn as you go along. And so if somebody knows that you're new, they're more willing to work with you than if they think that you've had 15 years of professional house cleaning experience, because then they're going to really want a specific thing. And although they're willing to pay a little bit more for that, if they don't get it, they're going to be very upset. And then you're going to get bad ratings and reviews. They're going to want their money back. And then you're going to be terribly frustrated. My suggestion to you is to be honest about your situation and be honest about the experience that you bring to the table. Okay? Now, as far as the training goes, there's paid training out there. There's free training out there. You can get training. Training is not the problem. But you will want to list what training you've had. I've had this training, I've gone through this course, I've learned this, I've learned this. I'm eager to put this into practice. I would love to have the experience. And so please, can I work with you? And then you have to ask for the sale. And so even though you are new to house cleaning, you're not new to life. And so as you bring in all these other experiences and you are confident about your presentation, lots of people will give you a chance. And they'll say, sure, let's give it a try. And you can always come in and say, listen, I offer a 100% money back guarantee. If for any reason you're not satisfied, I will happily grant your money back. But I would love the experience. Are you willing to give it a try? And you have to ask for the close. And if they say, yeah, I'm willing to give it a try, okay, great. They know what they're getting into. So it's not that you're just new and you're scared. But if you're new and you're scared, and then you don't bring anything to the table of any value or life experience or anything else, They're going to be frustrated and they're going to be not sure of you either, and then they're going to walk away. The goal is to make them comfortable in hiring you and to give you a chance. Because once they've hired you and you have a chance, you can now get referrals and you can build other business off of that, right? So you have to start from somewhere, but we all started from somewhere. Every single house cleaner today started from somewhere. And that somewhere was, I don't have any customers or any clients and I'm just getting started. Every single person that has a successful cleaning business today started with 0 clients. So you have to start from somewhere. So my suggestion is, how do you sound experienced? Get in front of the mirror and practice every day. Practice with pride the stuff that you bring to the table. What do you know? Well, I'll tell you what, I've never worked in house cleaning before, but I ran a team of 32 people in corporate America. I know how to manage a team. And I'm hiring people right now to run my cleaning team. I promise you we're going to have the best team that you've ever had because I'm that kind of a leader. People are going to go, whoa, all right, let's do this, right? Get in front of the mirror and practice, okay? Actors practice their lines before they get on stage or before they get in front of a camera. This is no different. You're going to be practicing your skills in front of the person that's going to hire you and give you money, which is the person that you're doing the walkthrough to. So make an inventory of all of the things that you know, all of the skills that you have, the things that you learned from other jobs that you had or other life experience. Like I said, raising the kids. Bring that all together and get in front of the bathroom mirror and practice saying those lines. Practice rehearsing it so that it just flows seamlessly off the tip of your tongue. If you're stammering and you're like, well, I had 4 kids, they're going to go, really? It doesn't sound like you're a mom. You know, you're going to go, boy, did I have 4 kids. You know, you want to make it sound real. So practice it until you're comfortable in front of other people. All right, I hope that helps you a little bit. If it does, please leave us a comment below. Let us know what was helpful from this particular episode that you might use in your own personal life. All right, until we meet again, leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.